What's going on, guys? It's Elias. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button. 90% of you guys that watch the videos are not subscribed to the channel. It's improved a little bit lately. It used to be 95% of you guys. So I appreciate to all my new subscribers. I do appreciate it. This is why we do the videos, so we can get subscribers. The more subscribers we get, the more support we get, and the more reason for me to be doing these videos for you guys. So for today's video, it's a very special video. I've been waiting for this for quite a long time. For those of you guys that have been paying attention, you know that I've been wanting this upgrade for a very long time. Finally, someone has made it, and I saw them on Instagram. I snatched it up as soon as I possibly could for my build. So I'm gonna give you 3 reasons why this pan that I'm about to show you is a must-have upgrade, in my opinion, for all the Civics. But if not all the Civics, at least all the Civic Type Rs, the 10th gen Civic Type Rs. Let's go take a look at them in detail and explain to you exactly why. So there we are. We got the new one and we got the old one right there. Before we get to them, let's take a quick walk around this car. My Civic Type R just got finished putting on a table. Yep, I put stuff on there when I'm working on stuff. My race bred splitter. It is an awesome thing. A lot of awesome upgrades for this thing. My favorite one being the splitter. It's also the most difficult mod I installed on this thing because I had to cut into the bumper support. I had to cut a bunch of plastics. I had to modify the mounting of the bumper. A lot of different things I had to do. Yeah, there it is. So it looks semi-stock, but if you take a close look, we got blankets, we got the PRL downpipe in there, wrapped up and everything. And after I wrap it, I like to put the stock heat shields back on. It's just the least amount of heat possible is best. I also have an intake, the K&N drop-in filter. Gives you those sweet sounds of the intake without any of the issues that some of the intakes can give you. But yeah, the car is back together, looking good. Ready to go with my race car. This is just some rubber. I don't know where it's from. Probably from my last track day, no big deal. All right. I'm just so proud of it right now. I just wanted to show you guys that. So let's take a look at why. The 3 reasons why you guys need to get this right here, this pan versus the old pan. So we're looking at it right now. This is the underbelly of the pan, right? So this is actually, so it's flipped over. So this faces the ground, and then this side, this faces the ground. So I want to compare apples to apples here. I think that's apples to apples. Might have it backwards. I forget. Either way, the 3 reasons are, well, reason number 1 is aerodynamics. So in looking at this, right? Look at this. Look how sturdy that is. Super sturdy. The whole reason for a flat bottom, for a very flat aerodynamic bottom of a car or truck, is it creates a negative pressure, so it pulls the car down to the ground. The flatter it is, the better that is. It's like a wing. It's nice and flat on the bottom in order for the air to pass quickly over it, and then the air over it passes slower because it's got to go over the car. So when that happens, a low pressure system is created here, pulling this part down towards the ground. So this helps have a flatter floor for a longer time because it's way more sturdy. I mean, this is nice steel. Love this thing. Compared to the stock one, this thing is flimsy, very flimsy. Under pressure, it's not gonna do as well, and there's a whole bunch of holes in it just because there's the front pipe goes right through there. I don't need that anymore. I have my front pipe wrapped, but no one really needs that anymore. This is to, you know, have a little bit more airflow. Honestly, I don't think it helps that much, to be quite honest with you. So, you know, it's one of the things that I do love about this thing. You could actually get this with vents if you want it. I didn't get it, but if you go to the website, and again, the website is in the description. If you go to the website, there's a vented one and a non-vented one. I wanted the flattest one possible. These don't really do much. Like I said, these don't really do much. Reason number 2 you need to get this upgrade, right? So first one is sturdiness. Reason number 2, ease of oil changes. Actually, this is probably my favorite one. I've debated which one was my favorite. I kept it at aerodynamics because it's super important for a race car. But the second one is this right here. So instead of having to take off all of the clips, like that one, to take off the pan, all I gotta do next time to change the oil is take this and this off. Super easy, very simple. That's easy to replace, easy to get my wrench on there. I don't have to do clips, and I don't need a screwdriver to deal with clips and things like that. Just take these 2 pieces off and you're good to go. On this one, obviously, you have to take a bunch of pieces off. You have to slide it off. It's very crummy. A lot of dirt falls off of it while you're doing it. The actual bolts, sometimes they're rusted. Mine are rusted out, and sometimes they fall off. Big pain in the butt. The final piece, a very important piece as well, the final reason I think everyone should get this one is because of durability. A lot of Civic forum members I've seen have problems with this belly pan. It falls off, it comes off at high speed, it comes off while you're driving around, something hits it improperly, it comes off. If you hit a puddle hard enough and water splashes it, it'll come off. It's not sturdy. It really is not sturdy at all. Again, there's 2 reasons it's not sturdy is because of the way it's made, what it's made out of. Number 1, and number 2 is all of the fasteners are designed to be taken on and off for oil changes fairly frequently, whereas this comes with its own fasteners and it's got its own clips and everything. So when you put everything on, it's by screws, right? You're not expected to be taking this off for oil changes. So when you put this on, it's a permanent installation, right? So it becomes not only part of the aerodynamics, not only does it make it easy for oil changes, but also it's way more durable to splashes, to hits, to bumps, to scrapes, and it's not gonna shake loose like this thing has in many cars and come off and possibly damage another part of the car, or at the very least you have a missing belly pan. And a missing belly pan, again, you want that flat bottom to create a little bit of downforce for the car, or at least not create turbulence and give you better gas mileage if you're interested in that. So there are the 3 reasons why everyone, in my opinion, needs to get this thing, especially if you do your own oil changes. This is gonna be a lifesaver, guys. This is also gonna help a lot in my downforce. I want a lot of downforce. I'm gonna be changing this wing actually right now. So I'm gonna have an APR wing, and as I showed you guys before, I have this awesome race bred splitter, and I can't wait to test this out on the track. But I also came over here to show you, this is all the clips and things and screws that this comes with. Now, he sent me a bit of a prototype, so it's a little bit better now than what he sent me, but I wanted it right away. I wanted to finish my build. I've been working on this build for way too long, too many delays, and so we're gonna be installing this right now, and you guys will be seeing this in future videos. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time. Peace.